How to download photos from AliExpress. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up AliExpress. And once you do that, you want to navigate to the page of the product that you want to get a picture of. So let me go ahead and do that. Say, for example, let me choose a random one. For example, this one right here, and choose any product. And once you're here, you can click and hold on the image, and you will have two options. You can either download the image directly or click on open image in new tab, which will give you kind of a better quality. And once you're here, click and hold on the picture and then click on download, and as you can see, the image has been downloaded. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download product pictures from AliExpress. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.